Hey, Dr. Walter here. So one of the most common postural distortions I see in people, and people are actually aware of it themselves, is these rounded shoulders. So what happens is the shoulders roll forward like this. So from the front, it looks like this. The shoulders are rolling forward. From the side, it looks like this. It creates that roundedness in the back, forward head position. So a couple things you need to know about rounded shoulders is that it's not just a one muscle group problem, it's a two muscle group problem. So what that means is that the front chest muscles, the pectoralis major muscles in the front, they go from the chest bone to the shoulder area. They're tightening up, causes that curling forward position. Now, the back muscles between the shoulder blades, they're weakening. So one set of muscles in the back weakens between the shoulder blades, and the front ones tighten. So if the front ones are tightening, that's happening. If the back ones are weakening, it's allowing this to happen even more. So these two exercises that I'm going to show you will actually train your posture, your frame, to strengthen the weakened muscles and stretch the tight muscles. So the pectoralis muscle is what's called the tonic muscle type. What happens is they shorten, and the middle back muscles, the rhomboids, the middle and lower trapezius muscles, they're called phasic muscles, they weaken. So they don't get stretched out, they get strengthened. So this is how this happens. So for rounded shoulders, these are the two exercises you need to do. So the first one is you want to stretch the tight pec muscles. The best way to do it is grab a door jamb like this, put your arm up like that, and tilt your body, and you're gonna stretch. So I'm really rotating my body, and I'm stretching the pectoralis muscle over here. Arm is up to the ceiling. It feels really good. If you're ever at the gym and you see the people that work out and do a lot of chest presses, they're always stretching out their pectoralis major muscle. Because if all they're doing is chest press, chest press, chest press, then they get this rounded shoulder syndrome. So how do you stretch that? Out like this. Give that a try. Hold it for 10 seconds. Nice sustained stretch. I feel really good stretch in there. Relax and do it 3 times, and then switch sides. So other place here, again, I'm just using a door in your house, and really rotate, get that nice stretch in the pectoralis muscle. I really feel a stretch from my arm right down to my chest, right here. So hold that for 10 seconds, repeat 3 times. Now the second part of the exercise is to strengthen the weak muscles. The weak muscles are the middle back muscles. Now I can't turn around and show you, but basically it's the muscles between the shoulder blades, the middle trapezius, lower trapezius, and the rhomboids. How do you do that? A couple of different ways, but one way is simple shoulder squeezes. So you just bring your shoulders back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. So squeeze it back. Okay? From the side, it looks like this. Squeeze back. So my shoulder blades are coming in like this. They're squeezing. So squeeze back, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and repeat that 10 times or even 20 times. If you have a tensor band or some kind of stretchy band, tie it to a doorknob, and then what you do as a doorknob is you're going to pull. You're going to pull, and you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together, and you have some resistance. If you're at the gym, you can use the pulley systems, add a little bit of weight, 5 or 10 pounds, and you're going to pull the weight. You're going to pull the weight and squeeze the shoulder blades back, okay? So these are 2 great synergistic exercises for helping improve and reducing that rounded shoulders. The pectoralis stretch, stretching the short tonic muscles, and then the shoulder squeezes in the back to strengthen the weak phasic muscles. Hope you found that useful. Super, super important tips. Give it a try, because if you have rounded shoulders or know anyone that does, it's a really bad syndrome to have. What it does is it crunches down your muscles here. It constricts your breathing and lung capacity. If not enough oxygen gets into your system, people feel low energy through the day. Very shallow breathing, that's not good. So by having open chest and less rounding of the shoulders, increases that lung capacity, that breathing ability, and more, it gives you more energy throughout the day. And it looks better to be upright versus having that. Hope you found that useful. Look out for more tips coming to you on a daily basis. Take care.